Think, Danny. Are you going to be in the movie too? Surfer.
Keep
Oh,
them
there he
short so
comes.
we can always send them off. Alright guys. First comes Surfer. Take it nice. Go.
Surfer wants Danny's too.
Surfer, wait your turn.
I think he likes that food. Good boy, Surfer.
This one's Daddy's.
He's like, I'm going to get that stuff yet.
It's not your turn.
He thinks it's his turn. And there you go. There's Surfer.